I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and service. Make sure your phone explicitly supports 5G bands used by Airtel and install the latest carrier firmware. Once done, confirm your Airtel account has a 5G-enabled plan or add-on. Calls or legacy data plans won't grant access. Make sure the SIM or eSIM profile is provisioned for 5G. If you recently upgraded, the carrier may need to push a profile. This step avoids wasted time chasing settings that won't work without carrier provisioning. Next, you change device level settings. Go to Mobile Network Preferences and choose 5G or 5G/4G Auto to allow fallback. Then check the APN, use Airtel's default values. If data fails, correct the APN name, MCC, MNC, and authentication type. Once you update, toggle airplane mode or restart so the device re-registers on the core network and obtains 5G slices. If you have manual band controls, avoid forcing incompatible bands. Let the phone pick the best 5G cell. Finally, confirm the 5G icon appears and run a short speed test to validate throughput. You should see lower latency and higher peak speeds. If 5G still doesn't appear, contact Airtel to verify provisioning or request a 5G-capable SIM swap, often the only remaining fix. If problems persist, reset network settings on your phone as a last resort, because that clears misconfigured APNs. If all else fails, escalate to Airtel support and report exact error messages or registration failures for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.